Hey, welcome back to another video of editing basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to design website banner in VistaCreate. Designing website banner in VistaCreate is a great way to create visually appealing and professional banner for your website. Follow this step-by-step guide to design an eye-catching banner for your website. Open up a preferred web browser and head over to VistaCreate. Make sure that you are logged into your account. On the dashboard, you will get a search bar. Now, type in website banner here. Click on show all templates for website banner. Choose an appropriate size or format depending on banner you need. Now, you can choose template or start from scratch. VistaCreate offers a wide range of pre-designed banner template for website. If you prefer to design from scratch, you can also do it. I am going to use the banner from here. Here, you can click on the text box in the template to modify the content. You can also change the font by clicking on this drop-down menu. Select the font you like. And you can also increase the size of the font and decrease by clicking on this minus icon. You can change the color of the font by clicking on this icon here and choose the color according to your liking. You can also add images or graphics. Go to Photos tab and you can search for photos here. Or you can also upload it from your device. Click on Uploads tab and click on Upload image or video and choose it from your local device. You will get photos here. Click on it to add it to your banner. Now to set it as a background, right click on it and click on Set as Background. As you can see that your background has been changed. You need to make sure that all design is aligned and balanced. Select your text or elements and align it to your liking. You can group all of these elements to make it easier for you. Select these elements and right click on it and click on Group option. Here you can move all of these elements at once, which will make you easier to edit. Once you are satisfied with the design, click on Export button and click on Download As and select the format. After that, click on Download to save a banner. So that is how you can design website banners in VistaCreate. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.